Good morning, students. Welcome back to another session of GK. Students, today we will start our next lesson. Lesson number 5, diseases and the organs affected by them. Now let us start question answer session. Name the organs affected by the following diseases. First disease, pneumonia. Affected organ, lungs. Pneumonia is an infection of the lungs that may be caused by bacteria, viruses or fungi. The infection causes the lungs air sacs to become inflamed and fill up with fluid or pus. That can make it hard for the oxygen you breathe in to get into your bloodstream. Next disease, trachoma. Affected organ, eyes. Trachoma is a bacterial infection that affects your eyes. It's caused by the bacterium Chlamydia trachomatis. Trachoma is contagious, spreading through contact with the eyes, eyelids, and nose or throat secretions of infected people. Next disease, eczema. Affected organ, skin. Eczema causes the immune system to send inflammatory signals to the surface, which can lead to itching and rashes. Even when skin looks clear, inflammation is still active under the skin. Next disease, jaundice. Affected organ, liver. Jaundice is often a sign of a problem with liver, gallbladder or pancreas. Jaundice is a condition in which the skin, whites of the eyes and mucous membranes turn yellow because of high level of bilirubin, a yellow-orange bile pigment. Jaundice has many causes including hepatitis, gallstones and tumors. In adults, jaundice usually does not need to be treated. Next disease, typhoid. Affected organ, whole body. Typhoid fever is a bacterial infection that can spread throughout the body, affecting many organs. It is usually spread through contaminated food or water. Common symptoms of typhoid fever include a high temperature that can reach 39 to 40 degrees Celsius, stomach pain, headache, constipation or diarrhea. Some patients may have a rash. Next disease, rickets. Affected organ, bones. Rickets is a bone disease that affects infants and young children. The child's growing bones fail to develop properly due to a lack of vitamin D. This can result in soft and weak bones, fractures, bones and muscle pain, and bony deformities. Sources of vitamin D are sunlight. Your skin produces vitamin D when it is exposed to the sun, and we get most of our vitamin D in this way. Next disease, goiter. Affected organ, thyroid glands. Goiter describes a condition where the thyroid gland located in the neck becomes enlarged. In developed countries, goiter is usually caused by autoimmune disease. Goiter is usually diagnosed by physical examination, but thyroid function, blood tests and scans may be used. Next disease, atherosclerosis. Affected organ, artery. Atherosclerosis can affect any artery in the body, including arteries in the heart, brain, arms, legs, pelvis and kidneys. As a result, different diseases may develop based on which arteries are affected. Next disease, tonsils. Affected organ, throat. Tonsils are two lymph nodes located on the each side of the back of your throat. They function as a defense mechanism and help prevent your body from getting an infection. When tonsils become infected, the condition is called tonsillitis. Next disease, nephritis, affected organ kidney. Nephritis is a condition in which the nephrons, the functional unit of kidneys, become inflamed. This inflammation, which is also known as glomerulonephritis, can adversely affect kidney function. Nephritis is often caused by infections and toxins, but is most commonly used by autoimmune disorders that affect the major organs like kidneys. Now, fun facts. Brain is the quickest part in the human body which grows. Now students, we will meet our next session. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day.